Once upon a time, in a cozy house on a hill farm, there lived a little girl named Claire. Claire loved exploring the world around her and learning new things. One sunny morning, Claire decided she wanted to learn how to count to 10. "Mom? Dad?" Claire said excitedly at breakfast. "I want to learn how to count to 10 today." "That's a wonderful idea, Claire," said her mom, smiling. "Let's make it a fun day of learning." Claire's dad agreed. "We can turn it into an adventure." First, they gathered some supplies. Claire's mom brought out colorful number cards, and her dad got a big piece of paper and some crayons. "Let's start with number 1, said Claire's mom. She held up the card with a big number 1 on it. "Can you say 1, Claire?" "1," Claire repeated, clapping her hands. Her dad drew a picture of one big red apple on the paper. "Now let's find something with 1, her mom said. Claire looked around and pointed to her favorite stuffed bunny. "1 bunny," she said proudly. Next, they moved on to the number 2. "2, said Claire's dad. Claire repeated, 2. Her dad drew 2 yellow ducks on the paper. "Let's find something with 2, her mom said. Claire pointed to her shoes. 2 shoes, she said, showing off her little sneakers. 3, said her mom, holding up the number 3 card. Claire repeated, 3. Her dad drew 3 green frogs on the paper. "Let's find something with 3, her mom said. Claire pointed to her crayons. 3 crayons, she said, holding them up. 4, said her dad, holding up the number 4 card. Claire repeated, 4. Her dad drew 4 blue fish on the paper. "Let's find something with 4, her mom said. Claire pointed to the legs of the table. 4 table legs, she said, counting them one by one. 5, said her mom, holding up the number 5 card. Claire repeated, 5. Her dad drew 5 purple flowers on the paper. "Let's find something with 5, her mom said. Claire pointed to her fingers. 5 fingers, she said, wiggling them. 6, said her dad, holding up the number 6 card. Claire repeated, 6. Her dad drew 6 orange carrots on the paper. "Let's find something with 6, her mom said. Claire pointed to her mom's necklace. 6 beads, she said, counting them carefully. 7, said her mom, holding up the number 7 card. Claire repeated, 7. Her dad drew 7 pink butterflies on the paper. "Let's find something with 7, her mom said. Claire pointed to the days of the week chart. 7 days, she said, naming them with her mom's help. 8, said her dad, holding up the number 8 card. Claire repeated, 8. Her dad drew 8 red ladybugs on the paper. "Let's find something with 8, her mom said. Claire pointed to the legs of a spider. 8 legs, she said, looking at a picture in her book. 9, her mom said, holding up the number 9 card. Claire repeated, 9. Her dad drew 9 yellow stars on the paper. "Let's find something with 9, her mom said. Claire pointed to her blocks. 9 blocks, she said, stacking them up. 10, said her dad, holding up the number 10 card. Claire repeated, 10. Her dad drew 10 blue balloons on the paper. "Let's find something with 10, her mom said. Claire pointed to her toes. 10 toes, she said, wiggling them. By the end of the day, Claire had learned to count to 10. She looked at the big piece of paper covered in colorful drawings and felt so proud of herself. "You did an amazing job, Claire," said her mom, giving her a big hug. "We're so proud of you," her dad added, smiling. Claire smiled back at her parents. "Thank you for helping me learn to count to 10. It was so much fun." And so, Claire, with the help of her mom and dad, had a wonderful day learning to count to 10. She went to bed that night dreaming of all the new things she could count and all the adventures yet to come. The end.